If you want to share a Google Drive link on WhatsApp, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to make a Drive file shareable, copy the link, and send it directly in WhatsApp, whether you're on mobile or desktop. This is a simple trick, but it's really useful when you want to share documents, photos, videos, or any other file quickly without sending the whole file manually. Before we begin, make sure you hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Drive and sign in to your account. You can do this by going to drive.google.com in your browser or opening the Google Drive app on your phone. Once you're inside your Drive, find the file you want to share on WhatsApp. It could be a PDF, image, video, or document. Now tap or click the three dots next to the file name. This opens the menu with sharing options. From the menu, choose Share. On some devices, you may see the share option right away, and on others, you may need to tap the file first and then open the sharing settings. If you're using a computer, you can also use the shortcut Ctrl plus Alt plus A to quickly open the share window. Once the share panel appears, look for the General Access section. By default, many files are set to restricted, which means only specific people can open them. To make the link work properly on WhatsApp, change the access from restricted to anyone with the link. This is the most important step, because if the file stays restricted, the person you send it to may not be able to open it. After selecting anyone with the link, make sure the permission level is correct. In most cases, viewer is enough if you only want people to open the file. If you need them to edit it, you can change that setting, but for sharing on WhatsApp, viewer is usually the safest choice. Next, click Copy Link. Google Drive will copy the shareable link to your clipboard. Now click Done to close the sharing window. At this point, your file is ready to be sent through WhatsApp. The link is now accessible to anyone who has it, so only use this setting for files you actually want to share publicly or with your intended recipient. Now open WhatsApp. You can do this on your phone or on WhatsApp web on your computer. Go to the chat where you want to send the file. Tap or click inside the message box, then long press if you're on mobile, or right click if you're on desktop, and choose Paste. Once the Google Drive link appears in the chat, just hit Send. That's it. Your recipient can now tap the link and open the file directly from Google Drive. If the link doesn't open for them, go back to Google Drive and double check that the file is set to anyone with the link. Also make sure you copied the correct link and not just the file name or the wrong menu option. If you want, you can also add a short message before sending the link like, "Here's the file," or "Please check the document," so the recipient knows what they're opening. And that's how you share a Google Drive link on WhatsApp in just a few easy steps. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.